Flooring Liquidators can help you install gorgeous new floors, revitalizing your home and giving any space a beautiful new look. After removing this homeowner's old floorboards, you can see our popular 7mm Yorkville vinyl is ready for installation. It's sturdy, affordable, and comes in a variety of styles to match any home. We're here to help you at every stage of the renovation process. We'll move your furniture, remove old flooring, and deliver your beautiful new vinyl, hardwood, laminate, or tile for installation. From there, our professional team will expertly install your new floors. Here you can see our team using an Olfa knife to score the vinyl, snapping it at carefully measured points. Installed on top of a cork underlayment pad, each plank is carefully measured to account for gaps along walls and corners. The vinyl clicks into place thanks to its specialized design, and it's hammered down to ensure an even result throughout the home. Each plank locks together, forming a durable, water-resistant surface at a fraction of the cost of traditional flooring. It's a highly effective process carried out by our experienced professionals. We're here to make new flooring easy and affordable while giving you incredible results. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's aesthetic, increase your property value, or finish an unused space, Flooring Liquidators has fast, affordable flooring services to take your home to the next level. For high-quality products and affordable installations across Ontario, call Flooring Liquidators today and find out how we can give your home the look it deserves.